Hello, I'm Patrick McCoy, Director of Sales and Marketing for Paulson Manufacturing, and today I want to talk about our line of Toric arc flash face shields for electrical workers. So the first thing I want to talk about is the shape of the shields, right? You can see that these both have a unique shape. It's what we call a toric lens, right? So historically, face shields have been cylindrical, featuring a single curve around the horizontal plane. You can see that both of these shields feature a double curve, right? Both on the vertical plane as well as the horizontal plane. So that's going to do a few different things for you. First, the shape more closely mimics the shape of the human face as well as the human eye. And so that's going to give you clearer vision with less visual distortion. It's going to give you less internal glare and reflection than a traditional cylindrical shield. It's going to give you better coverage around the sides and around the neck and chin area because it conforms closer to the face. And it's going to give you better spatial awareness and wider peripheral view as well as better downward vision. The next thing you'll notice is that both of these shields have a gray tint. This is our proprietary nanoparticle formulation. Arc flash face shields used to be made with a green tint, and that made it somewhat difficult to distinguish colors of wires, indicator lights, switches, things that are very important to determine the different colors of. With this gray nanoparticle tint, you have full color recognition. The color of the switches and the wires that you're working at are the true color that you're seeing through the lens. This helps to reduce eye strain, worker fatigue, as well as increase situational awareness for electrical workers. So now I just want to talk about some of the features and benefits of these different shields, starting with our 12 cal face shield. It meets NFPA 70E, ANSI ZA 7.1, and is tested to the ASTM F2178 test method. The shield has a weight compensating cap bracket with a modified pivot point from our traditional brackets. So this allows the shield to be centered and balanced above the head and reduces that weight imbalance felt by the worker while the shield is above the head in the stowed position. You'll notice this shield has an integrated chin protector, which gives you that protection below the chin and neck area while providing excellent downward vision. This shield also comes equipped with our patented arc vent system, allowing for additional airflow for the worker. The holes on the exterior part of the vent do not line up exactly with the holes on the interior side of the vent. It's what we call indirect ventilation. So it allows extra ventilation and airflow to come through without letting the arc flash through in the event of an arc flash incident. You'll notice this shield comes equipped with flashlights. So we have developed our articulated light mount system. This is the Streamlight AAA HASLO intrinsically safe flashlight. And our articulated light mount system is designed to pivot both vertically as well as horizontally. You can have a single light or dual lights. You can position the lights exactly where you need to see, and this gives you extra visibility in darker working conditions such as underground vaults and confined spaces. And the last thing I want to talk about with this shield is helmet compatibility, because all of these face shields need to attach to a hard hat or helmet of some kind, right? Historically, our shields have been compatible with slotted cap hard hats like this one here. We also are compatible with non-slotted cap hard hats as well as full brim hard hats. Recently, Type 2 safety helmets have become more and more popular because of the added safety benefits that it gives the worker. Our face shields are compatible with many of the Type 2 modern safety helmet brands out there. You see that this one is a Studson right here. Shout out to our friends at Studson. But our face shields are compatible with a growing list of Type 2 safety helmets. Next, I want to talk about our Toric lift front arc flash face shield designed to be attached to FR arc flash hoods. This particular hood is a 40 cal Airlight Ascend hood by National Safety Apparel. Just like the 12 cal shield, this 40 cal shield meets NFPA 70E, ANSI ZA 7.1, and is tested to the ASTM F2178 test method. One of the best features about this shield is the lift front technology. So rather than taking your entire hood off, if you need to get a drink of water, if you need some fresh air, if you need to communicate with your partner, you can simply lift the shield up above the head with that same weight compensating bracket system on the other shield. So it's nice and stowed above the head, and you can get fresh air, you can get a drink of water, you can communicate with your work crew without having to take the whole hood off. You'll also notice that you do not need to wear a balaclava with this shield because the hood provides 360-degree head and neck protection, therefore eliminating the need for the balaclava. So this shield is designed to go into hoods ranging from 12 all the way up to 100 cal, primarily focusing on those Category 4 electrical applications. This shield features the same arc vent system as what's on our 12 and 20 cal shields, providing indirect ventilation giving you added airflow without letting the arc flash through. The shield also comes equipped with our articulated light mount system, but what's different about this is that the mounting block itself is actually ventilated, serving a dual purpose, right? So not only does it give you the flashlight system for added visibility, but it gives you more ventilation for added airflow, and these side vents actually aid in auditory and helping you hear better as well. So when you combine our arc vent system, our vented light mounts, the lift front technology of the hood, and optional add-ons like a fan unit, the result is one of the most breathable and ventilated arc flash hoods on the market. So today we covered the features and benefits of our next-gen arc flash face shields, such as the Toric lens design, our proprietary nanoparticle formulation, our weight compensating cap bracket, our patented arc vent system, our articulated light mount system, and for the 12 and 20 cal shields, compatibility with a variety of hard hats and safety helmets. For more information on our full line of next-gen arc flash face shields, visit paulsonmfg.com.